Welcome back to our channel. We continue our journey on engineering with physics. Question number 9, fairly heavily loaded with a calculation. So remember, train your calculator skill. So look at question A. Too many data up there. Look at question A first. It says show that the volume of the system at A is about this volume. So find the volume at A. So we have the pressure. Okay, do you have the pressure? Yes, pressure. And you have the temperature, and then PV equals nRT, so we just need N, yes, N here. So A part is straightforward, PV equals nRT, so you substitute all the things inside. Pressure is 120 kilo, remember SI unit, and the volume is unknown, and then N is 0.0070, and then I'll copy it, 8.31, and then 300K. Remember, it is a show question, so you need to write down the more accurate volume first. Okay, don't just write this one. Okay, you have to do the calculation. So work hard. You got it. So it's 9.695 difference. Yes, because we are 10 to the power of 5. Okay, negative 5. Okay. At last, you need to copy the result down. Right? So approximate. Also remember, if you use the volume in the later parts, okay, use this more accurate one, okay? So next part, the gas undergoes an adabatic process are diabatic same pressure, so it's a horizontal line, same pressure. From A to B, reaching a volume of 1.333, or is here is 1.3, okay? Okay, so that the temperature of the gas is at B is about 270 K, okay? Okay, so that is about 270 K at B. So this is the unknown. Be careful, be careful. So same pressure. So V over T is a constant. So VA over TA equals VB over TB. Remember what to substitute, okay? Temperature is unknown. Be careful, okay? So substitute volume of A is 1 and volume of B is 1.3. To this part, you can get the 10 to the power negative 4. You cancel, you can say, okay. And temperature for 1 is 200. And this is the TB. Right, then you bring out your calculator. Remember, you need to find the more accurate one. So times 1.3. Oh, just 260. So this is the reason. So we need this help, okay? So we can't use 1. You need to use a more accurate one here. So you need to use 0.9695. I think this one helps, okay? Let's you just get 260. It got 270. So by this one, you can use this symbol as we always do it in mathematics to save some space on the lines. Try this one to see if it works. Yeah, I'm trying to. Better 268. Remember, write down the intermediate, more accurate one, and then you say that yes, it's 270. Sometimes it need to use more accurate intermediate steps. Sometimes it doesn't. So for save, always use the more accurate one, and then you get the result. So this part is difficult. They give you all the data. Remember which one is the unknown. The temperature of B is the unknown, not the volume. Don't get tricked. Well done.